Say girls. Two lines, okay? Our setting is very simple lang para hindi siya nanglabas sa inyo ang balay. First is magkuso, okay? Awata si Kuya ha, okay? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next na yun kay magpuga, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next kay mga high-high na dayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last, mag-plancha na dayon ta, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes! Hep, hep! Okay, ready is clap your hands! Okay. Hands. Ready! 3, 2, 1, go! Walk out! Okay, clap your hands. Okay. Okay, next. Ikapoy na mo? Ikapoy na mo? Ah? Wala ba? Okay. Game sa sadkawit lang. Okay, our next game. Ipadayon sa itong game din ha. Ito ang stop dance man siguro ito ha. Okay, stop dance. Okay? Make a big circle again. A big circle. Okay, a big circle. Okay, kuya, big circle ta kuya. Okay, a big circle. Very good. Ang inyong buhaton, is inyong buhaton. Kung naay naka-play na music, you're going to... Ipasa-pasa ninyo ang ano, sundanan sa BH. Ni ma'am. Okay. Inyong buhaton kids, inyo ning ipasa-pasa. Okay? Ipasa-pasa ninyo din. Pero, while na nag-dance mo. Okay? Kung kinsa na yun, makagulit ani na na-off ang music, out na dayon. Okay? Pero, tapay isa ma'am para... ma'am. Ilaghan nung gudi sila. Wait lang. Diba? Diba nakawag sundanan sa PH? Ano may sundan sa inyong nara? Okay. Dili sa girls ang isa, dili din sa ayun na boys. Okay? Okay. Grade 1 Sambagita. Are you ready? Yes or no? Ready na mo mag-PH? Yes or no? Hep, hep.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
May pataas mo siya kagunin. Okay. Pero trial ba ito ha? Freestyle na kagunin ha? Out na dayon ha? Out na dayon sa dula. Okay? Dapat ipataas mo.
Okay? Okay. O, diba? Si kuya nakagunit o si ate man na nakagunit, out na dayon sila. Okay? Pero trial pa to. Trial pa to. Alright, for the final game, okay, grade 1 Sampaguita. Let's play!
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town.
Okay, thank you ate and kuya for joining. Okay, sit down. Okay, let's play!
The money on the bus goes click, 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 click. The money on the bus goes click, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus goes move on back, move on back.
Okay, taas, taas. Okay, ano kagunin? Okay. Thank you ate and kuya for joining. Okay. Alright. Grade 1 Sampaguita. Let's play!
The driver on the bus goes moving back all through the town. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah.
Okay. Okay. Girls. Okay, Shama. Okay, thank you ate for joining. Okay. Okay, kids. Let's play.
The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes shh, 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 all through the town.
Okay. Let's play.
Round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Go.
Okay, thank you and ate and kuya. Okay, dili nagawa. Enjoy lang tayo. Kids, dili mag-away ha. Enjoy, enjoy lang ta. Are you ready? Yes or no? Hep, hep.
Wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Ipasa boy. Alam, mali.